How to enable or show the accessibility menu shortcut, this one right here. And this is for the OnePlus 12R and the same for the OnePlus 12. Let's get started. When you're ready to enable the shortcut, use the quick panel access and tap on this settings right there, this icon right there. Once in this section here now, I want you to go all the way down to the part that says additional settings right there. As you're here now, you'll look for the accessibility section, this one right there. Then from here now, you're gonna see the accessibility menu, this one right there. As you're here now, you'll be able to turn it on, okay? And this prompt is gonna show up for you. You'll press allow, it's gonna give you access to these here. And you can choose to have this little floating icon to turn it on or use the physical keys here if you're using the swipe gestures to access this feature here, okay? And you can press okay. And tap on the settings here basically would just increase the size of the buttons, okay? So they're already really big, but then if you want them this big here, you can make them bigger if you want to, okay? It's up to you, all right? Now, we'll back out of here, and when you come back here, touching this section here now, this is again to change the way you get access to the shortcut here. And when I come out of here, I'll just move this up, we'll tap here, the accessibility button right there. Then if you want to change whether you have this floating icon here or that little human icon here that usually appears there, you'll go to location and switch it to the navigation bar. And of course, this is if you're using the navigation buttons, these guys right there, okay? But it's up to you if you want that or this way. And then of course, the size of this floating icon here, okay? So you can change these at any given time. So now wherever you are now, you can access the shortcut by being here. And this is gonna grant you access to a few cool features or very useful features, especially if you're using one hand at the moment. So you can use the volume here, the brightness there, lock your screen, going to the recent app view mode like this here. Okay, you get the assistant, the power off menu here, and a few other very useful items like the quick access for the settings here, and then like the notifications one there. All right, so all in all, when you're ready, if you want to come back and change this, just tap here and you'll go back here and then just disable the switch if you don't want that anymore, okay? Like inside.